To create an awesome pattern using binary, we need a formula. This formula is made from ones and zeros alternating and giving a result. For example, 101 equals 1, and 110 could equal 0, or 1. We could change it anyway. What I am drawing right now is an example of a complete formula. There are 8 parts to it, each with 3 variables and 1 outcome, which can be a 1 or a 0. If you would like to explore all 256 outcomes, click the link in the description, then come back and watch the rest of the video. Now we're on to the creating. Also, sorry about the chair. These formulas make rules. For example, our previous rule was named after a number between 1 and 256. Now, what about this formula? Well, we see while I'm drawing this, we see that each formula creates an outcome in binary. And so we can use this binary, read it, and know about the number of the rule. Right now, I am labeling the colours that each part of the formula which will produce, either black or white, which is equal to 1 or 0. Now this equals to a formula number in binary of 111010000. Now we can read this and convert it to a regular number. So each digit represents a power of 2. A 0 means it is 0 times that digit, and a 1 means it's 1 times that digit. So 0 times 1, etc. Which means this is equal to rule 232. Okay, now we have learnt something. We have learnt most of the basics, and we can actually start to create something. We will use rule 30, not rule 170, like I wrote. Sorry. Now, if we get a grid and give each square on this grid this mindset of rule 30, kind of like its DNA, we get to see an amazing pattern evolve, which can go on forever. Each of these rows in the grid is equal to a generation. So the first row of generation, where there is one square that is alive, or a black square. and then each new generation can create a new line of squares. It's now challenge time. I want you, the viewer, to create your own pattern. Find out its rule name and watch it grow. It might look boring, might be a single line or just rows of the same thing, or it might look really interesting. Why don't you just experiment and make your own mathematical art? See ya.